Shriram Ambulance, ICU ventilator services for Rishikesh's leading hospitals. Safe ICU ambulance for emergencies. Always ready emergency medical transport. Trusted critical care transport services. Rapid ambulance dispatch during emergencies. Call at 600-916-002 or 700-917-002. Emergency response teams on standby. An initiative of Kedarnath Ambulance Foundation. ICU ambulance equipped for emergencies. Please like, share and subscribe Shriram Ambulance YouTube channel.